Dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the date sheet for backlog candidates of BG first semester batch 2016 to 2021 CBCS choice based credit system session March 2023 for Jammu and Kashmir issued by University of Kashmir. So as per this date sheet, the examination timing is 2:30 p.m. First paper is on 16th of March 2023, and introduction to sociology is on 18th of May 2023. And the examination of educational sociology is on 10th of April 2023. So this was all. In the description, I am providing some important links. Do visit. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like this video, share this video, as sharing is caring, and stay connected by subscribing.